reserve forest of Hojai, and it was my patrolling duty. And as I was asked to perform a duty in this forest, and this was the first time of my patrolling duty in this area. And while going through it, I was mesmerized to see such big teak trees, sal trees surrounding this beautiful reserve forest. So I thought to capture the moment and share with you guys to have a look, and you know how it feels to be with the nature. And hope you guys like the video, and do share and subscribe my channel. I will try to posting new videos of my duties in the forest as well. And as a forester, I always involved in such duties, and rescuing some wild animals also, and the normal duties of a forester. I will try to record that too in the coming time. And if you like my videos, do share with your friends too. Thank you. Jai Hind.